Alright guys, today we're going to be reacting to Funny Cats and Kitten Meowing compilation. Hope y'all enjoy. Sound kind of like dogs. That was funny. I like that one. Meow. Sounds like he's saying ow, ow. That one sounds like it's being hurt, you know. But it's not. I know it. Ew. 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 That was like so long. Like rolling kind of when it does it, you know? I like that one. I'm not much of a cat person. I'm more of a dog person, but that's a pretty nice cat. Especially that black one we saw at the beginning. He kind of does the rolling too. I like that one. I want the close up. It's like when somebody takes a picture of you and you don't want to take a picture of you, like.
Mira la cámara.
It's like yelling.
Cálmate, deja de ayudarme. Si sé lo que querís. ¿Quieres que le ilustre? Sí.
Alrighty guys, that concludes that video. I hope y'all enjoyed. Make sure to like and subscribe. Feel free to leave a comment. I read the comments, I really do. And I hope y'all enjoyed it, and see y'all later.